You might be wondering what happened. It works. Oops, it can't be charged. Charging is very slow. It's surprisingly fast. Let's try some other cell phones. What will happen? It's never got 100% charged. Or whatever could happen. Okay, I have no idea. It's a magic adapter with a magnetic cord. It's 100% compatible with any USB power source. It works with all phones you have. It's safe, it's fast, it's reliable, it's effective. All you need is to find a USB power source. Here, there, everywhere. Smoothly attached, gently detached. It makes things so easy.